Hello everyone, as you can see it's too sunny outside and too hot inside. So I got something. Now I can definitely declare that it's going to be my best friend for sure. So now let's do the unboxing of Pelonis together.
So let's begin and see what we got inside. And of course, while unboxing, I will keep sharing its unique features as well. And here comes out of Pelonis. It's time for me to reveal what I got from Pelonis. Well, I got the 2-in-1 pedestal fan. Let's see its parts and features. First, the stand, then its motor, and the base, and the rear grille, the blade and the front grille, and the manual and the thank you card. This 2-in-1 pedestal fan features 5 special airfoil fan blades with 40-degree torsoil angle, shaped similar to an airplane wing, which rapidly produce fast air circulation up to 15 feet and concentrate strong wind with long-distance air supply. Its cyclone technology circulates more powerful airflow and speeds up the cooling of ambient temperature than a normal pedestal fan. While assembling the fan, let me share a few more unique features of this 2-in-1 pedestal fan from Pelonis. This air circulator fan maximizes indoor ventilation with powerful cyclone air circulation up to 549 feet per minute and accelerate the airy convection. So if we combine this with central air conditioning or heat system, we could perfectly enjoy to effectively widespread cooling air in the summer and comforting warmth in the winter throughout a large space. Equipped with 85-degree oscillation and 75 pivoting head, this cooling fan can circulate the air upward, maximizing the cooling and covering of the whole house. With its 3-speed settings, this quiet fan delivers a refreshing and natural wind for a comfortable environment. This floor fan easily transforms to a desk fan, allowing us to seamlessly meet all our summer cooling requirements in any room, such as study room, kitchen, living room, office or bedroom. In addition to that, this 2-in-1 fan, which is really easy to assemble, is also very easy to clean as well. Just easily wash the mask cover and the fan blades by water, and you can enjoy fresh air and bid farewell to the dust pollution. So I will share all the details, the link, the coupon code in the description below. So check it out and place your order right away. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Bye bye.